and going to the stations. Can I get your name, Ashley? With what outlet?
Ashcenter.com.
Yeah, so just a little brief reaction on what you guys thought and felt about this.
I thought that it was very important that Google and EGI put this together, or yes, put this event together. This is something that's very relevant to today's society, and definitely something we need to all come together and learn about and discuss. These topics are not often discussed in mainstream media, and I think it's important that we kind of put that out there. When I went around to the different stations, I really got emotional. It really pulled on my heartstrings. I really was thinking about my family and about my grandparents and the things that they went through. And so, like I said, I think it was really relevant to all of us in this room, whether you're white or black or whatever. If you're in the United States or all over the world, really, this does impact you.
It connects you as a human being.
Right.
Period. And I just want to say, I mean, we're in the age 2017. Everything's interactive. So the fact that Google merged this incredible project the way that they have, and the way that it's going to impact and touch people all across the globe is just incredible. So I'm really thankful that I was able to be out for this event. And you guys go and check it out and check out the website because it's incredible.